Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, 8 sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Aquarius, what are the messages for you? Page of Cups, some apologies coming, some text is coming, but this person is very immature. And Fool, you are going with the flow, you are living in the present moment. Yes, you are changing your energy and this is very, very positive and good energy. Yes, you are changing your energy. Someone is coming back for reconciliation and they want new start with you. So let's see your reading. Aquarius, recent past, Six of Swords, Page of Wands and High Priestess. So there is some communication to fix the things between both of you. Yes, your person want to communicate with you, maybe you want to communicate with them. Energy could be vice versa, but there is some communication to fix the things between both of you, and you are listening to your inner self and higher self a lot and trusting your intuition because the High Priestess is here. And there was some communication and that was past and present also about communication, lots of communication. Eight of Wands, and the Virgo here, the Hermit. The person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Pisces especially. So you are undergoing some transformation. The Hermit, you are not talking to anyone right now. You isolated from all and you healing yourself and you seeing everything in detail. And Eight of Wands energy, but there is some communication is coming. But after transformation, now you taking your control back. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo. Strength card is here. So you are taking your control back. Now you are emotionally very, very stable. Independent. Yes. And future energy, Seven of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles and the Moon. Yes, even though you are very, very stable emotionally, but you have hope somewhere in you that maybe you are waiting for your person. Seven of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles, but they treated you as an option. Maybe they're not treating you well and they are not available to you emotionally. And the Moon, definitely a lot of disturbances between both of you, a lot of illusions, something mysterious. Maybe they're hiding something from you, but you are not affected. Yes, you are waiting, but you gain your power back because the Strength card, you are working on yourself, you are taking your control back, but still you are thinking maybe you are waiting for them, but they are treating you as an option, cold shouldering, and there is something mysterious in this connection. But someone is coming back with an apology and new beginnings. So let's see if it is your person or not. Three of Cups under the deck. So they want reconciliation if you are in separation. For some it could be third party situation also. So let's see your person feelings. Aquarius. Wow. Page of Swords and the Strength. Maybe they're scared to come towards you. That's why they're spying on you. Page of Swords. They're watching you. They're wondering about you a lot. And their feelings towards you. Ten of Cups, the Hierophant and Knight of Cups. Your person want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, they're thinking about the commitment. And 10 of cups, yes, they want to offer 10 of cups happiness to you. These are your person feelings, and they're stalking on you on social media. So let's see their intentions. Their feelings are very, very positive towards you. Let's see their intentions. Temperance with Page of Wands. Again, communication, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. I think your person taking their time. They want to restore balance within themselves. Maybe they are in some confusion state right now. They're not sure. Yes, they're thinking about you. They want to offer this commitment to you, but still they're in some confusion. They're thinking about something. Maybe they have some family issues also for some. 6 of Wands, 2 of Wands, and 7 of Cups. Maybe for some your person have options also. Maybe they're thinking about to make choice. I think they are going to be choose you because 6 of Wands, they want success in this connection. For some your person already very successful person, and they want success in this connection, and they're thinking about you a lot. For some this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Yes, they have option, but they're going to be choose you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Emperor. Maybe for some your person have ego problems also, and yes, still there are some disturbances. Maybe in past they cheated on you, lied to you. But for some your person may be a player also in past, but they want to manifest you back. Yes, you are also waiting on them. Maybe you turn your back from this person and you also thinking about you. I think you both have options. Definitely you both have options. And you also thinking about them a lot, and they also thinking about you a lot. I think you both are mirroring each other a lot. And Three of Pentacles, but you want Aquarius, you want reconciliation, and you want equal give and take in this connection. Maybe in past there is no partnership in this connection. Yes, you are waiting on them. Definitely. This is a waiting game. For some. Trust issues also. 7 of Swords energy. I think there is no trust between both of you. And 6 of Cups. Yeah, you both want reconciliation. Maybe there is no trust. One person is not trusting other person in this connection. It could be you or other person. Definitely there are some trust issues. But you both are thinking about each other. Then depends on your situation. But definitely there are some trust issues. Because one person maybe in this connection could be a player also. They may be in and out of others' life. I think it's your person, Aquarius. Maybe they're not available to you emotionally. This is on and off connection. You are fed up with this energy. That's why you turn your back and waiting on them. And you want commitment this time. You will set boundaries and maybe trust issues also. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Show the world the real you, full moon in Aquarius. It's time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. So if you're having any negative emotions or negative thoughts, especially towards this person, towards this relationship, and you have to release. Because it will affect the relationship and other person also. And show the world the real you. So if you have any emotions but you are hiding, you are not expressing, but don't do that. Show your real emotions and share with your loved ones. Full moon in Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Lord of Fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.